We are in the bar area at the main home of Estoria. This is so gorgeous. I love all the detail. They have so many details that are reminiscent of Italy. But we're going to make a mocktail of apple cider, jalapeno simple syrup, and going to top it off with some tonic water. You can obviously use a seltzer if you're not a tonic water kind of person, but I'm going to start by just dipping the edge of my glass in a little bit of that apple cider that I'm going to use in the drink. And then this is just a cinnamon sugar salt mixture. So we rim the glass, and then I'm going to add a few ice cubes. And then your apple cider. About that much. And then the jalapeno simple syrup, which is just basically sugar water and a sliced jalapeno. Let it come to a simmer. And then I'm going to put in probably 3 tablespoons because I want a little bit of a kick in this. And then top it off with the tonic. Easy peasy. There we go. A little mocktail. Add a splash of brandy if you want. Doing whatever.
Yeah, this was so much fun.
I mean, it really was. So
I'm diving in.
Dive
the best
in.
way to spend your Monday.
We're
you
wrapping
know?
up here in
Right.
Astoria. We're having so much fun. We're digging into this meze board. So what a great day we've had. What a
Cheers.
gracious family and a gracious events team. So I am thrilled. Yes.
Cheers to Taylor Kitchen.
Cheers.